Come along with me. Today we're going to compare buying herb plants from a nursery, fresh herbs to cook with from the grocery store, or growing your own from seed. Especially good in Italian or Mexican food. This one's $8.99, the lavender. At the nursery, I picked out some common herbs that I love to have on hand, and these herbs will cost $60 to purchase. And if you are to buy the seed packets, you can save 50% and buy the seeds for about $30, and you can grow many plants with the seed packets. You also have control of the process. Now, there's nothing wrong with buying plants from the nursery if that's what you have time to. Just understand you're going to pay more. Now I'm going to head over to the local grocery store and see what herbs they have. So I'm here at the grocery store and I want to show you the herbs. They have a selection of herbs and they come in little packages like this. So you get a little bit in the herb package. I'm not sure that I would buy this herb, but this is what is available at a local grocery store where I'm at. Check out the oregano. So that's how much you get for just under $2. And here are some chives. Imagine what you can grow with chive seeds. Here's some mint that you can get at the grocery store. So a small little bundle for almost the price of a packet of seeds. Here's what you can get at the grocery store. I'm definitely going to grow fresh and grow my own.